love getting your teeth brushed? You can't wait. You just love it. Look at you. You're like, give me that goodness. Give me it. All right. You're all lined up and ready, huh? Yeah. Oh. All right. He likes the taste of it. Look at his teeth. They look so good. Just chomping away. You like it, huh? Lick it, lick it, lick it. I want to see your front teeth. Let's see your front teeth. What? More's coming? You're like, I can't wait. I can't wait. Love it. Okay. Look at those teeth. Look at a smile. Yeah. Look at that tongue coming out. You're hilarious. He loves that toothbrush. Here's the poster child for teeth
Petrodex.
For teeth brushing.
We need a sponsorship from Petrodex. That's what we need.
Uh-oh. You don't mind this either, huh? Hey, I don't want him to have all the fun. You're trying to get it? Okay. Ready? Look at that bump. Did you see that? Mm-hmm. You bumping me? You bump me? Yep, bump. Okay. Now she's a little bit more challenging. Zulu, turn your head. Excuse you. A toothbrush burp. Zulu, come on.
It's like brushing the teeth of a piranha.
She loves it though. Mm-hmm. She sure does. Massage those gums. Okay, let's get your front teeth. Your pearly whites. We've made headway with brushing teeth, right? Come here. Look at those teeth. Gentle, Sue. Beautiful. She likes it, but she doesn't.
Forget what I said about.
She likes it, but she doesn't.
More like a great white now.
Come here. She still likes it, though.
Oh, yeah. She's just so aggressive with it. She's like, I will eat it.
I will eat this toothpaste.
Snapping at it.
We try to get it. Zulu, you've made strides. Another pretzel move?